I'm going to tell you about how you can open one small business without any money or with less than $1,000. Actually, I have to start from here. I'm Samin, and I work for a company as a project manager for 2 years. And actually, the company has a problem about the Canada economy, and just I think they can't pay me anymore. I leave my job, and I talked with the owner, and I told him I can't help you anymore, and I think this company don't need me anymore, and just I leave that company. And but at the first, I think I have to find another job. I'm going to the Indeed, LinkedIn, and apply for many job. I'm going, and I had a many interview with the many company, but some of them not accept me. But some of the company accept me, but the salary wasn't that much that I wanted. And I think this is the time for me to open my business, because the freedom of the freedom for the from the salary or from the time, when you have your business, you have more money. The time is for yourself. If you want to work today, you can work. If you don't want, you don't need to work. But when you want to open your company or your business, you have to work harder than to work harder. But okay, but now I want to tell you how you can find the good business for yourself, because each body has a his potential for the open the some kind of the business. In this channel, I want to tell you how you can find that potential in yourself, and how you can find the business model that is fit for you. Actually, I have to tell you about my background. My background is I have a bachelor in architecture, and I have a PMP certificate. I have a experience. I have experience in the project management position for more than 7 years. I had many business when I was in my back home. In many different businesses actually, and in here in Toronto I decided to open my business with less than $1,000. It's very important. Just I want to share how I can open my business, and how I can handle this business and promote my business to the to the market with less than $1,000 for another young guy in Toronto or in North America to know how they can open the business for themselves, and they didn't need that much money, and they don't fear about this if they looking for the freedom. If you want, you follow me on this journey, and we can help you. I can help you to open your business or develop your business. Just subscribe me, and if you like my video, just like my video. And I put a video every week, or I think it's 2 times in the week, and I tell all the step to open the one company, and all the step about the advertising, and promote your product, and how you can sell, and marketing option. But I tell you all of these things to start below $1,000, because I know the many people in North America, actually many people, many young people, they haven't that much money to invest in the new company. For example, $10,000 or $20,000. Just they have a a little saving, and they want to open the business for themselves with less than $1,000. And it's not difficult work, and it's better to work for another company, I think, because when you work with another company, just you develop them company, and you didn't find anything at the at the end. Just you develop them company, and one day they told you, okay, this company don't need you anymore, just say goodbye to you. And if you like to develop yourself, your skills, your soft skills, your hard skills, just subscribe me, and I share all the thing with you. Thank you, have a good day. Just put your finger in subscription button and follow me for the next video. I know I can give you good information, and we can grow together. Just let me start together. Thank you, and bye.